let's start. How do you feel right now?
I am overwhelmed kasi this is my first time joining a pageant. And na-blessed din ako dahil first time tapos nakakuha pa ng corona.
Since it's your first time, what are the preparations that you did?
To be honest with you, wala akong preparation na ginawa dahil 7 days kami pumapasok lagi dahil graduating ako as a nursing student. Nagre-review kami. So my preparation is very short. Kagabi lang nag-rehearsal kami sa costumes dun sa Pampanga, Besin Kapampangan wear.
Now that you're the Mr. SPCF, what do you look forward to?
Looking forward ko yung is my advocacy. My advocacy is for the critical importance of the children, developmental children. Because last April 6, we went to a charity program called Balay Balayan. At dahil doon na-opened yung heart ko na I fully understand what my parents always told me na privilege yung buhay ko because as a young age, living in this world full of survival is not easy.
Do you expect to win?
To be honest, siguro dahil sa tagal ko na dito sa Systems Plus, expect ko na rin mananalo dahil unang gusto ko pasalamatan yung Diyos dahil pinagbigyan niya ako magising ngayong umaga at yung parents ko dahil sinusupport nila ako sa kahit anong gusto ko and yung faculty and yung dean ko. My favorite part of this competition is yung nakipag-friends ako sa mga hindi ko ka-college like I met a lot of people and masaya ako sa nangyari.
Do you look forward to doing something together with your Miss SPCF?
As for now, so yung ina-expect lang namin na magyari muna dahil magpapachill muna kami siguro. Then as a nursing student, dun kami gagawa ng pwede naming ma-share and mabigay.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sorry. Thank you po.